Hello guys and welcome back for a new Satisfactory 1.1 episode. So in this episode, last time we worked on plutonium. In this episode, yeah, we're gonna soon reach the phase 5 and move on with it. While we wait, I'm just going to monitor a bit, make sure that we have enough roads. Normally the road should be accumulating here, and then soon this one we still don't have enough going. 16. It still continues to go in. We make it 32. Maybe I will increase the electromagnetic road production. It's not like it's complicated, just put more assemblers. So as this one is in this direction. 4 times 8. We want to move on to 64. I'm considering moving them to a dedicated lane. Are they gonna be used in something else? Or should I leave it there? They're used in a lot of other things, I can see. Okay, so let's move it to a dedicated lane. The output is here. I'm going to put the hole first, and then I will link it later. So, because all of them have the ability to overflow, they cannot be blocked at the... Well, actually, the starter one doesn't have the ability to overflow. I need to connect it. But yeah. Yes, they all have the ability to overflow. Should it be necessary? I think it's a pain that the lane is in that direction. I want to redo another lane. Maybe a bit, maybe over here. Let's put it around here. Ceiling. I'll just put 2 lanes. Maybe at some point we will have more and more component with that ability. Or I could also return it on the main thing over there. I don't want to pollute it. So also we're starting to have many things on the main lanes, so maybe we want to keep some space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right in the middle. So. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. I think we will bring it up all the way and we will split it over. You will understand. This one's a bit painful to pass. Let's see the output. Where we put the output. Right. Actually, I could move it up here. It will not be a big problem. So I'll avoid. So I'm here. Well, we're here already. How about something around? It's this line there. Here. So maybe here. We'll bring everything up. So not here. It's okay, just put it in the corner instead. Maybe here. Why do I feel like it's still blocked here? Is it not in the corner? Two back here. Here. No. Okay. So we're bringing it here. We can have some splitters around the back here. And we put the things on the sides. Mark 5 up. All right. Actually, I think that we should instead like bring it up here. And make it like a belt, will be cleaner. So we don't keep this. We'll fix this one later. Actually, for this part, I don't need, because the belt will be on the other side. Okay. So I just basically do something like this, put it in straight. Put it here. Alright. Inches. Again, I may redo this at some point. I'll put a container here. For all the things that have not been assigned. Okay, here. I think I will move all the stator thing. I don't like it as well. I will move it to the common belt. Or maybe since we have it, we can leave it. But okay, like this. So in this one, we put a smart splitter. Let's put it here. This one puts roads, right? Electromagnetic roads to the left. It's very similar to the shared belt. But the difference is that they're being redirected to a dedicated lane afterwards. We could consider opening a second shared belt. That's exactly what we could do, like a second shared belt on a layer under that would run with the. But the reason why I don't do this is because it's gonna be a pain to remember if we have to pick up from this shared belt or that shared belt. I think the shared belt should be really dedicated to PCs that we don't produce in big quantities, like computers, turbo motors, and things like this. Alright, let's bring electromagnetic roads. Actually, now I'm considering maybe, since there is more space on the left, better just be, so now I put none, in the copy settings and none. I will put it on the right side, maybe, mark 5, this way we can choose which side we fill. Alright. Smart splitter. This electromagnetic road. Okay. Alright. And so we can fill this side. Also, the electromagnetic roads are mostly used. There's a side, so okay. I need to go all the way to the end. I need to skip one now. Nearly done with the phase. Still skipping one. So here. So, here's the entrance for roads. This one, we'll get rid of it. It was a split for everything. Let's split the electromagnetic road, which is this one. smart splitter here. Align with that one. The front is overflow. The priority is the left. Clean these two. Split these two. And good. Perfect. Now we need to link the electromagnetic rods to the belt. So it was here. We will go in the other direction. Where's the hole? It's just there and it's perfectly aligned. Wow. That was not calculated. Sometimes you need a little luck. So okay, let's bring it there. I think I will have another return belt on the other side. This one is dedicated to this side, and anyway we can still cross to this side if we really need. We have some space over the pipes, so it's really not a problem. I just didn't want to stay too close to the area where we can produce. Okay, I made the hole. I think it's on the other side of the mountain there. No, it was there. Okay. Okay, merge. That's much cleaner than what we did before, and now we plug the new thing instead. And welcome to the electromagnetic roads. Let's make sure they pass back up afterwards. Where were they going? They were being remerged. So where are my roads? Or did I mess up something? What is this using? Electromagnetic road. For now it's used in uranium. Magnetic field generator as well. Takes a lot of time for the roads to come back, huh? Did they have a problem somewhere? No. Yay. Here they come. One of the reasons to do that is, of course, to produce more of this. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to expand this area so we can put one more. There's the input, there's the output. I will expand it more to this direction. I don't want to stay too close to the belts. Let's put one extra thing here. I will fix this one afterwards. We still need a little here. Maybe I push it a bit here. Yeah, I believe I still need to make it like this. So So Mark 8. Yeah. If I do this like that. We should be able to make it happen. Okay, let me redo this one. Here we go. Any extra PowerToys somewhere available? Doesn't look like it. Right here. Settings, past, 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 and past. Let's remerge this part. Okay. We'll remerge it here. Just need to put the inputs now. So stators and AI limiters. Stators, we just did it here. It's so good that we can split it here. Very nice improvement. And where the AI limiters are on this side. Okay, so we better be filling this one. And we need only to steal some AI limiters. I'm going to steal them here. They're all Mark 5, so, and they're all flooded. So let's just split it from here. I could split from here. Do I split at the source? If I have the place, I don't have the place. Conveyor splitters. Alright. Okay. The only thing I want to connect now is the magnetic field generators. Where were they? I think they were assemblers somewhere around here. Not here, so. This one maybe. Smart plating. No. No. Definitely no. Ah. I didn't make the magnetic field generator here. On the other side? I don't think so. Yeah, they are the thing that are linked to a container that I added, I remember. some extra container over there. Is it? There was one more afterwards. Was this one? Alright. So this one is no longer taking roads from the conveyor belt. It's gonna take them directly from the source from here. Sorry, a bit coughing today. It's going to saturate here anyway. Ah, the roads are stacking here. No, they're not stacking. Yeah, it's normal they stack here because, okay, we're only using them here. Okay, so now my goal is to disconnect the road system from the main belts. Let's see where it was. I mean the shed belt. I want to remove all the roads there. Where were the roads? It's this one. Okay. Yeah, return it back to none. By the way, yesterday I didn't reconnect the overflow properly on the starter one. Ah, I remember it's because we didn't actually disconnect it. Okay, let's switch to doesn't matter. Let's switch to Mark 5 for this one. Mark 5. So Mark 5. Ah, I don't have the other one in Mark 5. Okay, that's sad. Maybe I want to be redoing it. Blueprint designer. Special. Mark 1. Let's make Mark 2 here. For now. Maybe one day we delete it. Okay. So here we're going to build a new recipe. Maybe I can just load it. Blueprint. I'm interested in the containers. Where are they? Conveyor here. So we had the Mark 3 overflow. That's this one. Ah, it was made in a small one. Okay, so anyway, let's just make a... It was made in a small one, or maybe I made it in the biggest one. Let me check. I will build a small one. It's strange that they don't allow you to to bring the small one. it here or okay. It was made in a small one. Let's save it to Mark 5. Mark 5 overflow. And I'm going to just change what is we change. Be very careful with what Mark 5, Mark 5. This is the output, it's okay. Now we want to follow the input all the way. That's the two inputs. Go to the overflow or the main one. And then the other one's to go up. This line is going in. So the way in is okay. The overflow. The overflow is okay. Let's fix, okay. This one we did it. Final check. This one we did it as well. This one's done. This one I've done it. This one's done. This one is done as well. This the second way in. Second lane here. This one's correct. We're doing all the, we're checking all of this. Okay, I don't see anything else. This one, and then this one for the dimensional depot, but it's okay. Okay, let's save the print, override it. I just want to check, you know, we were at Mark 3. So there's steel beam here, you see the cost, there's steel beam 20 steel beam. Alright, so where could the steel beam be used? Actually, if we want to load the print, we can see it. What I'm going to check is X1. This one. No, that's not what I wanted to check. But you see the industrial storage Mark 1, if it doesn't overflow, is at 20 steel beams. So since it's the main component of the conveyor belt 3, then we're correct. Let's get rid of this. Clear print designer. Grab everything back. And change it there. Okay, it's as simple as this. Maybe I need to rearrange it. It's probably not in the right place. Okay, I will rearrange it after that. It's unused. Let's just connect the input. Reconnect the overflow. Flow, right? And then the output. For the next user. Yeah, I wanted to add overflow there as well. For now, we'll just put it here maybe. Alright. We're 20 pieces away from phase 5. Let's see how it is for electromagnetic roads. I'm afraid we may be needing more AI limiters. We're not producing a lot. I'm just using the bottom one. We're not producing a lot and we don't have enough copper sheets. Copper sheets are empty. Let's maximize copper sheet reproduction. It was brought in by trains. Let's first check to make sure that it's not like a problem of speed. No, we really have 0 stock. So since we have 0 stock, is the occasion to move on to Mark 5 maybe. Let's delete it. Mark 5. X3 overflow. Alright. I touched something, the wrong thing, I think. And I broke something. I'll come back for that. Alright. Alright. Just the output here now. Okay, it's reconnected. I will accelerate the whole lane. Mark 5. Okay. I change. Let's see what I broke down there. And also dimensional depot is to be redone. It's no longer connected. So okay. Alright, so let's go down. Is that one? So is that one that I changed by accident through the wall? Alright, we have no stock, so it's really a production issue. It's made over there. Okay. But let's... I think it will be the same speed if I rocket jump or not. It's really next door. So I don't remember what kind of a mine it is. Is it pure or... The one ahead of me. It's a normal mine. Okay. Mark 3. New miner. push it to the limit, 600. For that we need 5 like this, 5 smelter thing. So 120 times so 2 more. Splitter. And we split. Alright. They're not saturated for some reason. 600, right? Yeah. Oh, maybe this one is too weak. Okay. It was not a belt 5. Better now, I think. Yeah. So we have 600. The belt can carry 780, so it's good this way. Could use some water and refinery to get more, but now we'll see if it's enough for what we want to do. I'm using 20. It's 20 for 1, so we need 6 times 5, right? 6 times 5 is 30. We need 30 like this one. Okay, so I will just put another one. Maybe just over it. Because to the side we have this one. It's gonna block. I can put it to the side as well, it's not a problem. No, I'll put over it. So maybe if one day we need iron. Okay, so constructor Mark 5, 16. Missing some aluminium sheet. Let's wait a few seconds. Is it the entrance or the output? This is the input. Okay. Copy recipe. Still building, that's why maybe I cannot target. Okay. It's ready. Once you have good blueprints, the game becomes a lot funnier. Alright, electricity. Any available bolts somewhere? Nothing at all. Okay. Alright. Now I think I'm going to redo these three. So we're gonna have one main merger here. Like this. And maybe it's complicated. Well, let's remerge to this side. That's all. Like this, and this. And then we split here. Let's see how this is. Okay. Okay, let's put the split here. That's Mark 2, Mark 2, 2, 2, Mark 2. Okay. Mark 3, Mark 4, Mark 4, and Mark 5. Yes, okay. And here, go up. Go down. And here we go. This one's full, this one's going out full, this one's going out full, this one's not full. Why is it not full? Maybe because the other ones are not saturated yet, or... Strange. Or it will be full soon. Yeah, we just turned it on. Okay. Now the belt is at full power. They all output 120. So times 5. Okay. And now they can, all of this can absorb the ingots for sure. We need 30 and there's 32. So let's finish the job. And we're good. Okay. Perfect. How's the electricity? Do we still have some nuclear issue? No. Rock and steady. Maybe I'll have a look at Caterium as well. Remember we have some quick wire issue. So... Now that we have the Mark 3, we can increase the number of Caterium ingots we produce. How is the mine? Is it impure, pure, normal? Okay. Let's change to Mark. Change it to Mark 3. Full power, 600. One is 180. So 180, 180, 360. So we could go for 2 more. Move. Move. This one's bugged. Pain in the ass. So let's just create another layer. I misclicked. It's alright. So I cannot, because of the creature. Okay. I don't want to murder it, so let's do like this. 1 and 2. Okay, here we need Mark 5. It's already Mark 5. Okay, split. Right. So we're handling enough now. Okay, remerge. We output 160, 60, sorry. So normally it should be saturated or nearly, according to all the ore we have. Okay, 600 are being used, so I believe they will start to accumulate. They're not spreading evenly. This one's gonna take some time to be full. Okay. And joining the other lane. In total we have divided by 4. No, divided by 3. So we have 200 in total that we carry out. 200 Caterium ingots. Here we have some quick wires as well. Yeah, I'll take them. Since I'm here, I will bring them over there. As long as all the minerals go out, I'm fine with this. They're all working. Okay, let's move. Why do I feel like the belt may saturate? Divided by 3, 600, 200. I don't think it will saturate. But if let's just change everything to Mark 5. No big deal. So we fill faster. Here I'm considering putting a buffer. Container. Up here. Alright. Okay, it looks good to me. Let's take the next train. It's coming back. So now we're making... Let's talk Ethereum. The production update is blocked again. Let's talk Ethereum. We produce 150 Ethereum ingots per minute. And to use and this one used 12. So we need 50. No. 50, yes. We would need 50 constructors to maximize the quick wire production. 50 constructors. Is it? 12 times 5 is 60. No, I don't know. No, we're not aiming at 60. We're aiming at 150 to use 150 ingots. So 10 constructor. Let's see how I build stuff. Where's my Ethereum production again? Is it over there? Maybe it's over there, yes. They were working at 50%. 50%. So now with the new ingots, we should be able to maximize everything. Quick wire, one for 60, so 12. This one we need 10. 16 is plenty enough to consume all the Ethereum ingots we have. And it's about like 13 we need. About 13, yes, I think. And 12 times 60 or 13 times 60. How much is it? 13 times 60. 780. It's exactly saturating one Mark 5. And they all Mark 5, I think, already, no? Yeah, they all Mark 5. Let's make sure that they really all Mark 5 to there. I hope it will help. Okay, let's see what's going on again with the assembly thing. Just missing 20 pieces and we don't get it. Adaptive control, missing computers this time. We have no more computers. So we have a computer problem. Apparently, I'm going to use my personal computer's stock to get rid of, to help temporarily. And during that time, I will check what's going on with the computers. It's 5 per minute. Okay, let's see. Computers, audio control unit. This one missing crystal oscillators. It's surprising. Quartz crystal. So we need to improve the quartz production. Where are the computers made? Should be around here. Here? No. definitely next to where we make circuit boards. Here. Okay, it's working at 100%. All of them? Ah, no. Not all of them. And we're missing plastic? Ah, no. We're not missing plastic. It's just that... okay, let's push it. We're not missing plastic. We just have... do I get enough plastic? Not sure. And how much? 100 per minute. I don't think I bring enough plastic here. Okay, filling, plastic filling. Be better now. Cables, plastic circuit boards. All right. Okay, assembly arc. Starting again. How many computers do we make? We make 15 per minute. This one was using yes. Makes sense that we run out of computers. In total, we're producing 18 computers. Can leave it on the shared belt. It's okay with me. Where do we use computers? It's also used for radio control units. That's why maybe we were missing some. Also for this one. Okay, so we really want a lot of computers. I hope it's better for quick wires now and starting to saturate or something. Yeah, I see that the lanes are like full. Still have some of them not full, but it's great. I like what I see. Of course, it's gonna take some time to saturate all the machines, but nice. Okay, nearly there for phase 5. I wanted to check the quartz issue. Quartz crystals. Quartz is being used in the aluminum production, and of course it's a priority. If we don't make a lot of oscillators, it means that we don't have a lot of spare quartz. Where's the... we take the quartz there, up there. Let's see, maybe silica as well. Guess we're not producing a lot of silica too. In this case, we have to consider maybe adding one more car to the... do we have... we have a lot of quartz. What's going on? We have a lot of quartz, but it's only going up when we have excess of quartz, which is not the case. This one is empty immediately. Emptied immediately. This will be the last trip before phase 5. I couldn't detonate it early enough. I want to see if the other area is also... it's a problem of capability to transport quartz, or if it's really a problem of the radioactive train. If it's really a problem of quartz incoming. My guess goes to the the train carrying too much material at the same time. Like sharing the coal and the quartz is not good enough. Maybe the train cannot handle. Yeah, it's absolutely full. Cannot carry so many like that. So I could use drones, or I need to add one more car. If I add one more car, I need to be incredibly cautious about the unloading on the other side. One coal here. Here is just empty. This one is for the uranium train. Otherwise, the uranium train is so... How can I say? It's smaller. Maybe I could carry it with the uranium train and like get rid of it in another station on the way. Maybe it would be the good move. And we also have some space here, so we will not be filling the quartz here, but on this one instead. Okay, let's just do that. So there will be another station. As long as we don't add cars, it's fine. We can leave it here. It's not gonna fill. Actually, it's already connected to power. Okay, let's just change direction for this one. Wrong hole. Forgot to get rid of this. Okay, let's just trash some quick wires. I don't want to be full non-stop. Take all. Trash the pads here. Take all. Alright, I will stop filling this this one. I think we will all be going this way. With Mach 5. for now it will do. Dedicated quartz thing. Starting to fill, I guess. Okay. Just missed the train. Let's go back. This is for loading. Forgot. Okay, so the uranium train is this one. We have two stations here. Originally we were unloading here, so we should be fine. So either we do another station just to the left of here, and we offload. Maybe I can just do that. Yes. I'll just make it next to it. I'll redo the rail afterwards. So here we need a station because it's the ass of the train. So we need a station. Let's leave some space on the other side to unload. Okay. This one is correct. This one's going... wait. I will let the train unload the uranium first, one last time, to clean it before we change it. So now it's gonna be quartz out. What's wrong? Quartz out. Okay. After that, the uranium, we will need to add one more station here. This one will transform to a catwalk. I mean, to empty station. We will add a car to the train. Let's wait for it to arrive. During that time, we can decide where we put how we transfer the. Maybe we can just bring it like this. Where was the quartz source there? Let's not miss the train. The quartz was coming from... Soon it's gonna be empty here. I can leave this one. But basically, we don't necessarily need the overflow thing anymore. But while we're loading, we still want to have the thing here. So maybe I just put a container. The uranium train has arrived. Let's let it unload everything. still full. Ah, yes. You see it blocks the output during that time. So maybe we want a buffer here as well, actually. Let me stop the train. Let's let it go out, turn off self-driving. So it's still full. Let's let everything go out slowly. Nah, it's very dangerous because I pick up this. Okay. You really don't want this on you. Otherwise your hazmat is going down at light speed. Alright. During that time I can redo this rail. This one's gonna be... I need to wait for this to get out. Wow, it's gonna take forever. So let's finish on the quartz while it gets out. How about this one? Still have a lot, okay. Let's get rid of all the extra quick wires we had. I wished we were going a bit faster. Quick wires over there. Quick wire here. Up. Okay. We were at the quartz area. We wanted to create one buffer over there on the way. So probably just here. Industrial storage. Source of quartz there, so I'm gonna remerge it there. Put it here. Rematch things here. Alright. Alright. What's out? Can we do this one? No, it's gonna go in this one. Later we'll redo this one. So did I get rid of all the uranium there? I think so. It's empty. Alright, let's carry some back there. Get the hazmat suit. It's one every 10 seconds. Let's continue to fill this one. I hope we have enough buffer here, otherwise we will wait a bit. It should be just enough. with a secondary lane. Come on. Working at 100%. That's perfect. Means we make a lot of roads. We have enough sulfuric acid. Everything's going well. What is the reason? The cells. This one's full. This one's full. Okay. How about this one? Need to wait a bit for them to consume it. The drone's too slow. Where's the second drone? Okay. Done. So this one disconnect, this one disconnect, this one disconnect. Here we have just an empty platform. Maybe I will just leave it like this so we know that there's one extra slot there, and then a freight platform. Okay. The car there is empty, right? Yes, it's empty. So now what we'll do is maybe temporarily link this one to this one. I don't want to add no power. Whoa. Whoa. No power. Alright. Let's connect the station there. I didn't change that station. I guess it was never connected. Can I still break the thing at the end? Let's see. Right. Let's move a bit forward. Yeah, okay. I can dock it. Now what I'm going to do is reconnect this one. I don't want to be changing the train, so I don't have to reset up things, rename it. It's just slightly faster this way. Okay. Let's remove this one. Add one more car. One more. Okay. Now, edit timetable. There was Yura Inter back. Okay. Yura out. This is for the return. Yura Inter. Yura in. So there's Yura in. Okay. Yura out. So we have the quartz out. It's just before Yura out. Here. Save changes. Turn on. Self-driving. No, doesn't work. Maybe there's some issue in it. Next station, Yura out. Oh, it's docking right now. Okay, I understand. So Yura out, Yura into, Yura in, into the back, quads out. Okay, looks good to me. Let's make sure that the quads goes in. Do we use an overflow? Add the overflow here, but on this one we want to use an overflow indeed. really want to saturate the smart splitter. Just do like this. Yes, and the right is overflow. So we're not making any more silica. So for the plutonium it would have been, quartz crystal here, raw crystal. Okay. The boss gets same priority when it comes to building now, because we need quartz crystal and we need silica as well. Let's wait for the train to come back to make sure that everything's in order. Okay. I just want the double buffer like this to really get rid of the material as soon as we can. This one moves up. Some problem here. So if I have to go up, I need to keep this. And once again, projections blocked for the last part of the phase. Come on, quartz. No, there was no quartz coming in. Forgot to put it in unload mode. I lost my chance there. Can I make it on time? Unload. That's more important than the quartz. I'll come later for the quartz. Okay. The 51 alien protein there. Gonna get rid of them. Actually, we could see. Well, let's see what's the problem with the. I get tired of fixing that thing there. I really don't know what's the problem now. Computers again, maybe. Missing plastic. Which one is it again? Where is it? There, maybe. No, it's not this one. It's in assemblers, I think. Maybe this one. Yes. Is it adaptive control? I don't have any, right? No. They're being made here, and we're missing computers. Even if I increase the production of computers like crazy, it's Seriously? Let's use my own computers then. They're still being made, but they don't reach it. Okay. It's just give it a little help again. Temporarily. Yes, I wanted to check the research available. The research is available. Let's see. Okay, research is. We still haven't found the last food. This one we could, yeah, unlock it. Oh yeah. Let's make some fluctuators. I have 23 Mercer spheres, so I think I will increase the stack size maybe. The stack size available. Get rid of some of this. This is trash. This one I'm already full. Silica, I think I'm already full as well. Stutters. Okay. This one I'm full already. This one. Right. This one as well. Some fluctuators. I think I need 100, no, 47 or 103. I think it's 103 I need. But not, this one is 100, and for the stack size, yeah, I need 103. What is Mycelia? We still haven't found the last one. Same problem here. Here we don't know how to build it yet. Here I have the rocket fuel that I can check, and here we need too many shots. We're really nearly done with the research. How to do the rocket fuel? Rocket fuel. This is for packaging it. Otherwise, it needs nitric acid. Nitric acid and compacted coal. I know, it releases compacted coal. So we need turbo fuel, nitric acid. Let's make this while the face finishing. Nitric acid, so we need to take some nitrogen. The closest source of nitrogen is here. So let's see. Nitric acid. What is turbo fuel? Turbo fuel. Let me add it to the to-do list. It'll be easier. So rocket fuel is just nitric acid, which needs plates. Okay, maybe we can make a source of nitric acid for the line there. So let's build another stack of tubes. I didn't bind it. Okay, so anyway, stackable pipelines. 5. 5. So for this one we need to bounce over. That's why I actually left a little space in the first place. Right, for this one, water now. This one around this area. Let's bring it here. All right, let's continue. Stackable pipeline. They will have to move everything to the left and then everything back on the rail. Stackable pipeline. Okay. I'm not sure we'll do it now, but at some point maybe we will link it. Okay. We need nitric acid, we need plates, we need water. We can just use the water available at the bottom layer. It should be enough. But the question is, how do we bring the rocket fuel here? We need to package it. And we need to package the rocket fuel. We already packaged it actually, but we ship it by drone and we bring it back to the base, I think. We will have some extra compacted coal we can also ship back. So it's 1-for-1 or no, it's not at all 1-for-1. We have some extra rocket fuel here. Can rocket fuel be used in fuel generator? So we can use the excess. Fuel generator. Can we use the rocket fuel? We can use rocket fuel. So we will create a generator to eat the excess. Anything we cannot package will be used, will be eaten there, I think. Because otherwise we never consume, how can I say? We will be bringing fuel and we create more rocket fuel, right? So 600 to 100. And for that reason, we have 40% of the rest that we need to get rid of. That needs to be entered to a fuel generator. The turbo fuel we only need for us, for our jetpack. So We really don't care about optimizing production. We just don't want the thing to be blocked. So compacted core, we can ship it back to that area because it's like the surfer area. We ship back compacted core and we ship back the rocket fuel packaged. Okay, so we need an area where we will need some liquids, but let's see, we need an area where we can put a drone. Maybe around here is okay. We're not far. The plates are on this side as well. Let's do this. Okay, so first of all we'll add the port. Drone port here. So it will take in some. I think I have enough space for everything. Okay, it will take. This one is. Maybe I can use some of the turbo fuel. No, I need to package it anyway. I want to keep it for myself. The question is, do I put the drone here or do I put the drone there? Here I can use the batteries. There I can use some other energy like coal or something. Can I use coal here? I'm not sure. No, cannot use coal. Okay, so we'll just use batteries from here. Drone. Okay. Here, the input will be, the output will be packaged rocket fuel. Okay. Let's bring all the things together. This is for fuel. Alright. Power. Okay. So we need to make nitric acid first. Blender. We need a blender. I want to leave a lot of space. I don't want to be I really don't care. So nitric acid and rocket fuel will need a second blender. So blender. Actually, I don't know if I want to be making the nitric acid here. I will make it down there, under, and pipe it up. So I will make it on the other side. Over there, I think. Can have some plates and everything, so let's put it here. Blender. Connected. Nitric acid. Here the pipe are bidirectional, so nitric acid's gonna be here. Okay, we remerge here. That will be the nitric acid output. We need iron plates, water, and nitrogen gas. So which one do we take it from? Any of them? I think we will merge them at some point in the middle to make sure that we never lack any nitrogen gas. Maybe I can go under as well instead of over. We could have one extra pipe under. So we have nitrogen gas. We want water. Water. Right. And now we only need some plates. They're coming from this side for sure. Split. Actually, I can just link it from the bottom, maybe. Is it okay here? It's a bit crowded, but who knows? Let's have a try. No. Too close. Still tempting. Plates. We're making nitric acid now. I think the uplift is too high, so we need a pump. Let's pump it up. I put a Mark II so that we have can basically bring it to any machine. How is it going? It's like the pump doesn't work. Is it connected? We have some problem with the electricity again. I'm producing some, but maybe I don't produce enough. Let's shard it. $300 per minute we're making with the shard. So, I mean, we're making 75 cubic meter per minute. Okay, so now we have nitric acid available in the pipes, going up slowly. And we want it around there, I think. Let's see. Yep, we want a blender here to take care of everything. Blender. That one's gonna be making rocket. First we need to unpack it, right? So Unpackage, repackage. Where's the output? Where's the input? Okay, so we need a packager here. Something to unpackage. Right. Like this. The blender will be after it. And we unpackage on the other side. So blender. Let's put the blender here. Repackage. The output. Repackage the fuel, and here I will put the fuel generator. To take in the excess. Maybe I can put it here. On the left will be better. So we have the input here. Go here. Okay. Be unpackaged into. So we get the excess of the empty canisters and put it back here. Okay, this is for the canisters. After that we have rocket, the fuel, the turbo fuel go here, and the rocket fuel go back to the packager. So I'm going to do what I did before. I'm just going to rig it up first, if I can. We also have some coal there to get, but they don't allow me to go up this way. Just do like this. I'm going to split it here. I mean, split. Here we want it very high, so that it needs to, the packager is lower, and this way, this one only gets filled when the packager is not being busy. Okay, the packager takes precedence. Here we have some coal. Rocket fuel, so we would have some coal here. Let's connect everything to power. Alright. This one needs connection as well. Packager. We're going to unpackage turbo fuel. We're going here. We have turbo fuel. We need nitric acid, so I'm gonna make the hole there. Okay. So turbo fuel goes out. Go here. Connect it to electricity. Get the turbo fuel out. Down to nitric acid. And we just need the nitric acid. Here we have the compacted coal. That is one of the byproducts that we will bring there. This one's the final product that we return. That's the product we return. And here we need to create a merger to remerge the compacted coal, and we're good. Okay, the drone is here. Doesn't have the port selected yet. This one's correct. We just need to bring nitric acid and fuel for the port. Maybe move it enough. But, we still have some roads here. They're not supposed to be on the belt anymore, but they are. I'm gonna break this one temporarily so they stack there. During that time, nitric acid. We want to bring some batteries. Where are the batteries? Maybe it's on the right side. Yeah, it's on the right side. Splitter. Maybe I will just bring it over the ground, no problem. Okay, we have fuel. Drone has fuel, just no destination. We just need the nitric acid, and this is done for the rocket fuel. Okay. We're at 2 hours. Let's just do the other part, the second part. Let's give in some extra computers here to the computers to unlock the other one as well. I'll check later what's wrong with it. We're so close. So that when I finish the fuel, this one. Yeah, your computers, and computers. That should be enough. Let's see. Yeah, the other side. We go to the turbo fuel area. So, turbo fuel is exactly here. So, and it's already being packaged. This one we will remove because we will not need it anymore. Here we want a port. Let's build it. We want to pack. It's already packaged, so we really just need to ship this and bring it back. Actually, why do we bring it back? because we want the coal as well, maybe. Okay, let's see. Port, drone port. Okay. Here there will be no drone. Is the target of why this one is targetable? I never connected it to power. It's impossible. I broke something maybe. Why is this one not connected? Okay. Extra power. How is the nuclear? Oh, we had full production, so we not 100% of the time full production. Okay, let's see if I name the other port correctly. All ports. The rest still have a problem apparently. No. Don't play with this. What was it? Should be this one, I guess. If I didn't name it. Let's name this one. And we put turbo in. Rocket out. Turbo in, rocket out. Okay. Let's bring in the turbo. Fine. Let's get to the other port. There's a port I forgot to name. So this one is turbo out and rocket in. Okay, and all this port goes to turbo in, rocket out. Come on, let's go. And I just need to fix the out there as well. Put back the Mercer. Talking about Mercer. Let's make some extra SAM. Look at this. Oh. Very. Okay, let's get back to the rocket part. Make sure we link it. the output. For now we only use, we need to split it first with a smart splitter. There's the dimensional depot. Let's put it here. Okay, so smart splitter. The right one will be rocket fuel, package rocket fuel. It's funny they still allow us to choose. And anything else goes straight. This is gonna be compacted coal. I think I'll make it somewhere. Petroleum coke. Compacted coal maybe is down there. It's one of the two assemblers, I think, down there. Let's see. Here, black powder and compacted coal. It's being used somewhere. How is it being synced somewhere? It's used for... It's used for this one? No. So where is it going? Here? Lost. Maybe it's not linked to anything. So going up here. We need compacted coal to make turbo fuel. Alright. So that's the time where we can use a merge priority, a new device, I think. So we have compacted coal here. We have compacted coal there. It's here, so here we could use the merge priority thing. Priority merger. So we merge the left one in priority. We merge the left one in priority, and then the center and right are lower priority. Compacted coal. So this one on the left, where we put compacted coal. Wait. Why the bottle looks like this? It's not the same. I think we don't use the same packager. I feel like we need another type of bottles to package the rocket fuel. No, I'm talking to that. So let's see. Package rocket fuel is using empty free tanks. It's not gonna work. Okay, let's finish for the compacted coal thing, and so the right goes, okay, rocket fuel, straight, no, left is gonna be compacted coal. That's the byproduct of, okay. Right. Have the cat try to grab the cables. Alright. Oh no, I think it's a bit too far. No, it's okay. Okay, so we will merge compacted coal here. Correct. Package rocket fuel. And we're good for the next phase. Let's first fix the rocket fuel and start a new phase. So the rocket fuel, we need empty free tanks. So So eventually we need the empty fruit tanks to be... Actually we're not so far, maybe we can just bring them there. Let's see where they are. Where we make the fuel. Make it over there. And the production's here. So yeah, we can just carry it over there. Don't know if I want to make it a resource, or we can just move it up and then have a lane there and move it back there. Can decide. Are we going to need liquid bottle? I mean gas container? No. What is it? Empty bottles? What does it need again? Let's see. Empty fruit tank. We have any other recipe requiring empty fruit tank? We have one more. Empty fruit tank. Maybe another type of gas. So what about... No, we have one more here. But in the end... for packaging nitric acid. Packaging nitrogen gas. Okay. So I think we just bring the bottles there by the fastest way. And worst case we will redo it if we need to. It's really just there, so. The packages over there. Alright. And okay. Put it there. Alright. And this lane needs to disappear. This one goes to the sink. We need a sink somewhere. Maybe we have some space there. Not enough, I think. Let's put the sink here. So we can get rid of the excess of we sink all of that. 4, 5. This one we bring it to the final machine. Right. So how to bring it there? Just something like this one to make this up. Right. Wrong direction for this. Alright. Alright. Okay. I think nothing into the machine because we never chose the recipe. That's why we never saw that we had the wrong thing. There's also no power. That's sad. Now we have power, but we don't have the fruit tanks going in. I didn't connect them there. Better. And we have the fuel, so that's a very good news. Alright, package rocket fuel on the way. We don't necessarily need this one then, because it's producing very little electricity, and since it's two different types of containers, we don't need it. I think I will remove it. Stop it. I have the cat crazy about cables, unfortunately. Okay. We're making all the rocket fuel. Can remove this one as well. So anything we transform. Okay. To be noted that contrary to before, we're gonna be storing it. Before that, you remember that we had no buffer in the middle. This way we don't use material. And let's see. It's one of the common mistakes. It's not connected to sync, so it cannot produce more. We don't need a lot. So yeah, what was I saying? Yes, because we have the port in the middle, we're gonna have some buffer stuff. So it means that we're gonna be storing a lot of them. So the production, yeah, how can I say? It's not only gonna stock here. We're gonna have some stock in the ports eventually. I'm just gonna steal it from here. Okay. Maybe I can get this one. I don't want to shard it. We don't really need it. Can I put this here? Just get rid of it temporarily to clean my inventory. Okay, so I'll trash this one maybe. Let's say hello to the rocket fuel now. Switch to this one. Set it as the main one. Preferred is rocket fuel. Here we go. Get that power. A lot of ascending power. Okay. A few more bottles being made. I'm gonna steal it as well. Okay. Now, let's turn on phase 5, the final phase of the game. And we'll switch to the next video after that. Let's go. This was a lot longer than expected since we produced the parts, because there was some supply problem.
Welcome to the Pioneers Got Power Problems presentation. That was a joke. Anyway, you're familiar with the process. Just throw the lever and the automated systems will take over. Imagine all the time and effort that would be wasted if you had to do all that work as well. Some work is just better suited for machines. Phase 5 contains technology the human brain cannot comprehend, so just trust in me and fix it policy and everything will go as planned. Answering all your questions will take time we simply do not have. Everything is going to be just fine, so long as you do your job. We've come this far together after all, haven't we? Anyway, you know what to do. Just don't forget to keep producing previous project parts, and plan ahead when setting up new production lines, and make sure not to leave it all until the last moment.
Ship it.
Phase 4 of project assembly completed. If style was measured in my performance reports, yours would be something special. Regardless, saving the day is within our grasp. Do not lose focus now. You must understand the weight on your shoulders, but you are not alone. I am here, and I know exactly what's at stake. This goes beyond Earth. Your actions will affect the universe at large. You might think I am exaggerating. Perhaps you will understand once you finish project assembly. Phase 5 awaits. I expect your best work.
Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll discuss the next phase in the next episode. See you there. Bye-bye.